Managing groups on Monday.com can be a pain. Fortunately, there's a tool to make your life a little bit easier. Groups Manager by Move Work Forward allows you to easily navigate and manage your groups effortlessly. Let me show you how it works. We have a simple test board here which has a number of groups. The first thing we want to do is add the Groups Manager view. To do that, click on the plus, go down to the apps, and among some of our Google integrations for Monday, we can find the Groups Manager. So we click on that. And as we can see, we now have the Groups Manager tab. And this provides all the tools you need to easily and effortlessly manage your groups. So let's start with creating a new group. The simple and easy way is to just click on Create Group. You can provide your new group name, and should you wish, you can change the color. However, let's say we want to create a new group in the middle of the list. Rather than creating the group and then moving it, we can just highlight the space between each groups and click on Create Group. Okay, now that we've added new groups, just click on Apply Changes. We will see the information updating. And then click on Done. And we can pop back into our main table. And we can see the new groups have been added. So we'll go back into our Groups Manager. And how about reordering groups? That couldn't be easier. Just click and drag the groups into the order you wish to move them. Click on Apply Changes. You will see the reordering groups is updating. Click on Done. And now when we pop back to our main table, we can see the order has been updated accordingly. Deleting and archiving groups is also incredibly simple. So if we want to delete some groups, just click on the Delete button. And now the groups aren't instantly deleted, they're popped down to the bottom here so you can see which groups you've deleted or archived. Alternatively, if you wish to archive groups so we can get them back later, we can do so as well by clicking on the Archive button. So here we can see we have 2 groups archived and 3 deleted. So click on Apply Changes and those will be deleted and archived. However, if we realize we've added a group in here that we don't wish to delete or archive, just click on the button and the group will be removed from the list to be deleted and archived, and they won't be impacted. So if we click on Apply Changes, click Done, and pop back to our main table, we can now see those 2 groups have been deleted. Now if we want to delete or archive all empty groups, we have that option. As we can see here, the empty groups, there are 6 empty groups. Clicking on Delete empty groups or Archive empty groups will do the corresponding action. As we can see, all 6 empty groups are now listed to be archived. If we decide to keep some of those groups, we can just untick them. And if we wish to delete some of them instead, that can be done as well. Then just click on Apply Changes. And we can see 2 groups are deleted and 2 groups are being archived. The deleted groups would eventually be removed per the normal deletion rules, and the archived groups can be retrieved if necessary. And as we can see, we now have a lot less groups. Now, let's say we're moving groups around. We are deleting groups, and maybe we're even creating some new groups. And we realize we've made a few mistakes along the way. Fortunately, that's okay. For the deleted and archived groups, we can just remove them from here. However, if we click on the Undo button, we can undo any of the changes we made, and we can also redo them if we've undone something by mistake. Alternatively, we can just click on Cancel Changes, and all the changes we've made have been undone. The last thing of note is we can organize things by name. We can sort them by ascending or descending order, which can be very useful depending on your naming conventions when it comes to groups, or we can just revert the sort to the original. While this demonstration is on a small scale, it gives you a glimpse of how easy it can be to manage a multitude of groups. Try it for free from the Monday Marketplace, and you'll wonder how you ever managed to work without it. Thanks.